Hello, my name is Andy. I'm an international admissions officer at Carleton University. Now, Carleton is located in Ottawa, the capital city of Canada. We're a comprehensive mid-sized university with about 32,000 students, and we're very famous for programs related to the high-tech sector, government, media, and business. Now, Ottawa is not just the heart of government in Canada, it's also the heart of the high-tech sector in Canada. So that gives us very close ties to the industry, and you can actually get experiential learning, a lot of paid full-time work opportunities working in your field as you're earning your degree. I definitely encourage you to use the services of Canam. We've been partners with Canam for a very long time, and they are very knowledgeable on everything related to the application process, the admission requirements, as well as their ability to help you with your study permit. It's very advantageous if you use their services. And I hope that you will book an appointment with me, Carleton University, desk number 3, through your Can-Am counselors between April the 5th and April the 20th at a time that is convenient for you. I look forward to meeting with you. Take care.